back to the bus.
I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive the wind kiss. If you want some love, just let me know.
This is what you get to wake up to.
Hi.
All the time.
Right? Ugh, terrible.
Oh my god.
There's a cup of coffee there if you want coffee.
Yeah, buddy. Today's the day, Tommy.
Today's the day.
Work, baby. Oh, yeah, that's heavy. Tommy's just sanding the burrs off of this panel. We used a step drill bit and it worked like a dream. After all this time, we're like, oh, step drill bits, they work great. But they literally press the other side out like really badly. You see down that line, and that's the outside where the rivet heads are gonna go on to, so we need to sand it all now. The worst part about having to sand off these burrs, this part of this panel is going to be on the exterior, and this is galvanized steel, so it was primed and ready for us to paint. So now I have to put something on there to protect it and prime it so it doesn't rust and so it can paint. So we are testing this pneumatic riveter, and I don't remember the brand of it. Shit, I can't see it from here. It's a riveter. You can get it on Amazon for like $85. But is it a double pump? Does it go pump, pump?
I don't know.
Okay, you're supposed to push against here. We're just giving a little test here. I'm gonna put a little bit of strength behind it. Press once, press twice. There we go. It's still a little loose. I know why. We're not
the other
using thick
side.
enough material. That's why I was saying we had to put washers on the back of some of these, because the size rivet, it needs thicker material.
Okay, so the metal we'll be using will be fine. Because this is thicker gauge.
I think so. It works though. Woo! This is the grand finale, dude.
If you want some love, just let me know.
Look at that underbelly boob. Oh God, I'm not funny like him. Okay, anyways, look at it. It's riveted on the top. Here, I'm gonna get up close for a second. So, we ended up having to glue the inside before we put the panel up here. And it's raining and snowing. And I know this right here, we're still finishing up this edge, but our camera's gonna die. But if you look down the line here, these are wide flange, or I forget what they call them. But anyways, the flanges are bigger on these, and it's not exactly perfect, and we're gonna clean it up definitely, but man, do I like air rivet guns, or pneumatic riveter, or whatever you wanna call it. They are so amazing. Now, we're just gonna pull out the bottom and glue it like that, or glue it that way, because it'd have been a giant mess if we'd have tried to do both at once. We're pretty much running out of time. So, yeah, tomorrow it will be just me, your favorite. What? Thanks, Tommy. You rocked today.
You want some underboob?
There's nothing there. Everybody just wants to see the tattoos. He's got some sweet tats. He's got like a kitty cat and a sloth. A sloth?
I don't have a sloth.
Is it not a sloth?
No.
What's the scaly thing? What's the scaly thing? I'm sorry. All right. Anyways, that's what these guys look like that are going in here. These are stainless steel rivets. These are 3/16, and we use this riveter. It is called a Patron PR14, and it is amazing, and I would highly recommend it to anybody. So I think it was like $85 on Amazon, but it works like a dream. I seriously don't know what we would do without this, since we had to put in about 1,000 rivets. If you like what you saw here today, give us a thumbs up, push the subscribe button. What else do they say? Push the bell, comment definitely. If you like see something that we're doing wrong, or like see something that we could fix or do better, definitely let us know. My body's cramping up from pushing those rivets in. Holy crap.